CFO adinge ukwazi ukuqinisekisa lokho?
Isizathu ngaleso sikhathi kwakuwukuthi ke ubaba Dlamini ngokuya kwakhe ukuthi labantu abakade bafike kuye bamtshela ukuthi le nkampani ezika CIC Juju maye ngokugwema or noma ukufuna ukuqinisekisa ngoba avoid indawo ukuthi abantu balahlela amagama abantu esihlangalaleni waconfirma nobaba uMnisi ngoba kuya ngalabo bantu bathi bona nobaba uMnisi uyiphethe uwaphethe lawo magama.
The reason was that Mr. Dlamini did have this name, but he wasn't sure if they're just names dropping to say that they came from Juju CIC. He wanted definitely to ascertain with Mr. Mnisi that fact.
But my question is a different question. Is anybody, Juju or anybody else, entitled to influence tenders by indicating who their preferred bidders are?
Ngabe sikhona insizathu sokuthi bafuna ukuqinisekisa ukuthi lamagama ngempela abuya ku CIC uJuju?
Angeke ngazi kuleyo ndawo ukuthi sikhona yini.
Sorry, Ms. Maroy, you did not interpret the part about influencing.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
So ukuthi sizathu sokuba ngabe banaso bafuna ukuqinisekisa noma uku-influencer isiphetho saleso
ilungelo ngesizulu yini ilungelo
right
ilungelo ngesizulu bizwe ilungelo.
But I was just stuck on influence.
Bakhona yini abantu abanelungelo lokuthi ngizosebenzisa lesilungu ba influence I tender process? Bakhona abantu abanelungelo lalokho?
Cha, abanalo ngomshado.
No, they did not have that right.
Let's move forward then